Listen to that flow, it's perfect.
Look at the consistency, it's perfectly smooth.
Handle them carefully. These are premium grade mangoes.
This batch is fully ripe, and move it to collection area. Point.
Bring it closer to the stack and stop here.
Check alignment and adjust blade pressure. Reduce speed slightly. Maintain uniform cuts. Increase feed rate slightly. Maintain balance. Ensure only premium quality nuts go into cutting. Ensure only premium quality nuts go into cutting. Ensure only premium quality nuts go into cutting.
Ensure the powder is completely fine. Adjust grinding speed if needed.
Check label positioning and maintain consistency.
Stack them evenly and maintain proper alignment.
Check consistency. It should be smooth and rich. Adjust speed if needed. Ensure each carton is filled correctly and sealed properly. Lift carefully and align it with the truck.
Ensure all pieces are evenly cut. Check blade sharpness.
Maintain proper ratio of milk and water. Keep the consistency balanced.
Check viscosity and sugar level. Ensure it meets quality standards.
Ensure the texture is perfectly smooth. Increase homogenizing speed slightly.
Check the texture, it should be completely smooth.
Ensure only premium quality nuts go into cutting. Maintain blade speed and keep the flow consistent.
Ensure labels are perfectly aligned and applied smoothly.
Check the fineness level, it should be uniform without granules.
Check inside cleaning. Make sure no residue remains.
Maintain proper ratio and increase blending speed slightly.
Move forward slowly, keep the load balanced.
Check the temperature. It must stay at 0 degrees. Maintain cooling stability.
Increase lift angle gradually. Maintain balance. Increase lift angle gradually. Maintain balance.
Activate the hydraulic lift slowly. Keep the flow steady and do not overload the belt. Adjust blade alignment. Keep cuts uniform. Adjust blade alignment. Keep cuts uniform. Increase water pressure. and ensure all bottles are fully clean.
Keep the feed steady and do not overload the extractor.
Increase pressure on this side. Clean them properly.
Check sweetness level and adjust flow if required.
Ensure the sample is pure and meets all parameters.
Reduce speed slightly. Maintain uniform cuts.
Temperature is dropping and hold it steady at 0 degrees.
Start filling sequence. Maintain equal volume in all bottles. Check fill level accuracy. Adjust flow if needed. Ensure caps are sealed tightly. Maintain uniform pressure.
Maintain accurate fill level and keep flow stable.
Check sealing pressure. Make sure there is no leakage.
Check sweetness level and adjust flow if required.
Check the flow pressure and maintain smooth transfer to tank.
Check the peel separation efficiency and maintain pressure level.
Maintain sugar ratio carefully and ensure complete dissolution.
Maintain sugar ratio carefully and ensure complete dissolution. Maintain blending speed and ensure smooth consistency. Maintain flow rate in this texture is perfect.